Hello viewers, today we are talk about Jose Granello, born on 25th July 1866 in Iguera, Valencia, was a permanent Spanish painter known for his adeptness in classical and academic style. His overview spans historical, religious, and portrait paintings, demonstrating his versatility and technical mastery. Donello's work reflects a profound understanding of human emotion and a dedication to the tradition of classical art, making him a significant figure in Spanish art history. Donello's early artistic education began under the tutelage of his father, who was also a painter. He then continued his formal studies at the School of Fine Arts in Valencia, where he quickly distinguished himself as a prodigious talent. His academic excellence earned him a scholarship to study at the prestigious Real Academia de Bellas Arts de San Fernando in Madrid. The Garnello was exposed a rigorous curriculum that emphasized drawing from life and studying the old masters, particularly the works of Diego Velasquez and Francisco Goya, who would heavily influence his style. Upon completing his studies in Madrid, Garnelos furthered his education in Rome, a common practice among Spanish artists seeking to refine their skills. During his time in Italy, he embraced himself in Renaissance art, which profoundly impact his approach to composition, light, and color. This period also marked the beginning of his lifelong fascination with classical theme and techniques. Garnello's return to Spain marked the start of a prolific period in his career. He gained acclaim for his historical and religious paintings, which were characterized by their dramatic intensity and meticulous detail. Notable work from his period include The Last Movement of Prince Don Carlos and The Defense of Numantine, both of which showcase his ability to capture complex narratives and emotion depth. In addition to his work as a painter, Garnello was an esteemed educator. He held teaching positions at several prestigious institutions, including the Royal Academy of Fine Arts of San Fernando in Madrid and the School of Fine Arts in Barcelona. His commitment to education and mentorship helped shape a new generation of Spanish artists, ensuring the continuation of classical artistic tradition. Gianello's contribution to art were not limited to his paintings and techniques. He was also involved in the restoration of significant works of art and participated in various artistic commissions. His expertise was widely recognized and he was appointed as a member of the Royal Academy of Fine Arts of San Fernando, where he played a circle role in the institution, activities, and decision making process. Throughout his career, Garnello received numerous accolades and honors. He won several medals at national and international exhibitions, solidifying his reputation as one of Spain's foremost painters. His work was celebrated not only for his technical excellence